Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. In this quick JetEngine tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can always center the last row of your listing grid just like this. So in this example, I have 3 posts at the top, 2 in the bottom, and I wanted to always have this centered. So all it takes is one little line of CSS code to pull this off. So now I'm going to jump into the back end and show you how easy it is to set up. And here we are on the back end of that page, and as you can see, I have 3 posts and 2 right down here. So by default, it's not going to be centered. So all you're going to need to do is just select your listing grid and just paste in the CSS code right here, selector, and then this is the class that JetEngine uses, Jet Listings Grid Items, and then you just do this one little CSS command called Place Content Center. That's all you got to do. So now when you go to the front end of the website, it should render out just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually remove one more of these posts. So let me just go into this custom feed I have, and let me just remove one more of them. I believe it was 386. So now you can see right here we have post 1, 2, 3, and then it skips over into the 5th one. And if I hit refresh, you can see it's always going to be centered. And I'm going to bring it back into 5 post. And what's nice about this feature is you don't have to worry about creating any sort of custom CSS or anything like that beyond what we just added to make this work. So what I mean by that is, let's say we have 2 columns here. So we have 2, 2, and then here's the last column is going to always center right here. So it doesn't matter how many posts you have, it's going to always center out this bottom post just like this. So in this case, something like 3 is a good one where we have 3 at the top and 2 on the bottom. And that's it for this quick tutorial on how you can always center the last row inside of your listing grid. Thank you for watching.